Continuous heavy rainfall has battered numerous areas of Jammu and Kashmir, compelling the Union Territory Administration to take precautionary measures by closing schools across the Kashmir Valley and Riasai district, as reported by officials. The persistent downpour in recent days has inflicted severe damage in various regions. Flash floods and landslides triggered by the torrential rain have affected parts of Poonch and northern Kashmir, resulting in damage to both public infrastructure and private property. On Monday, the Srinagar-Jammu National Highway shuttered its doors to traffic as landslides wreaked havoc at multiple points along the route, leaving a multitude of vehicles stranded in their wake. The relentless rainfall escalated the Jhelum River's water levels beyond the flood declaration threshold in Srinagar by Tuesday morning. Concurrently, major rivers and streams, including the Poru Nalla in Kupwara district, surged perilously close to the danger mark due to the substantial rise in water levels. To monitor the evolving situation, local authorities have activated control rooms overseeing the water levels in the Jhelum and other water bodies across Kashmir. In Handwara and Kupwara towns, certain areas succumbed to waterlogging, prompting the district administration to mobilize local police, army, CRPF and the SDRF for rescue missions. Floodwaters inundating roads effectively severed Kupwara district in North Kashmir from the rest of the valley. With rain exacerbating the situation, at least 336 families were evacuated from the region as water levels continued to surge. A flash flood in Anantnag's Kazigund area also partially damaged the Nawa Bonigam Bridge. According to the Meteorological Center in Srinagar, wet weather conditions are forecasted to persist on Tuesday. Mukhtar Ahmed, the Met Director, stated that the weather will remain generally cloudy with light to moderate rain accompanied by thunder at various locations. However, Ahmed mentioned that an improvement in weather conditions is anticipated starting Wednesday. Moreover, he indicated that from May 1st to 5th, generally dry weather is expected with the possibility of afternoon thunder shower activity occurring at a few locations. Meanwhile, fresh snowfall was reported in areas along the line of control as well as the Kashmir Valley's hilly areas. The Dras Valley in Kargil and Gurez in Bandipora recorded 10 to 12 inches of snowfall as of Tuesday morning. Tourists flocked to the popular skiing destination of Gulmarg following a fresh spell of snowfall.
पिछले दिनों से लगातार बारिशों की वजह से काफ़ी इलाकों में सैलाब जो है वो आ चुका है। बांध जो हैं उनके ऊपर से पानी आया है और कल से खबरें आ रही थी कि काफ़ी जगहों में मकानों में जो है पानी घुस गया है और लोगों को काफ़ी नुकसान हुआ है। ये देखते हुए कि हालत जो है काफ़ी इलाकों में ख़राब है, मैंने अपना कैंपेन जो है वो रोक के फ़ौरन अपने साथियों से बात की और तय किया कि मुझे मौके पे आके हालात का जो है जायज़ा लेना चाहिए और सुबह से इसी कोशिश में लगा हूँ कि जहाँ जहाँ इस सैलाब से लोगों को नुकसान हुआ है, एक तो खुद हाल देखूं और उसके बाद जहाँ जहाँ लोगों की हम मदद कर सकेंगे इनकी मदद करने की कोशिश करेंगे। जाहिर सी बात है कि इस इलाके के लिए एक कॉम्प्रहेंसिव फ्लड मैनेजमेंट का जो है प्रोग्राम तैयार करना होगा। ये रातों रात होगा नहीं, लेकिन आज आंखों देखी जो हाल है वो सब उस सब से पता चल जाता है कि एक कॉम्प्रहेंसिव फ्लड जो है मैनेजमेंट प्रोग्राम वो हमें इस इलाके के लिए तैयार करवाना होगा और इंशाल्लाह करवाएंगे।